Hi, this is the OPPO A95 and I'll show you how to activate Always On Display option on this device. Unfortunately, we have not installed by default the AOD option. That's why we should open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge app. Now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait just a couple of seconds. After the installing, tap the open button and here you will find all of the available tabs which you could use on your AOD option. Select one from the tabs, click to apply, and now let's just check. So we could see that the Always On Display option successfully enabled. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.